We are now turning into a global company, aiming to realize global management led by the head office. We intend to implement standardized management and operations throughout the entire group. There are 4 Fujitsu IT reform themes. Synchronizing management and IT strategies sets IT policies at the management level and raises investment standards to the management level. In the area of enterprise technology and IT governance, we will create a framework for building and maintaining optimized IT services throughout the Fujitsu group. Consolidating IT globally into a single IT department is a global or group reorganization of IT to unify objectives globally. By centralizing IT budgets and authority on a global basis, we will reduce the proliferation of individual optimal systems. Digitization and data-driven IT operations execute IT operations by making data-driven decisions.
ServiceNow SPM and APM underpin Fujitsu's 4 IT reform themes. SPM has allowed us to standardize and centralize IT investment requests globally and gives us the visibility we need across approval chains. It also allows us to ensure adherence to policies across the group. APM, on the other hand, has centralized information on all global systems, including configuration and usage. Together, SPM and APM enable us to put in place robust IT governance across Fujitsu's global organization to digitally transform and optimize our IT estate in the future. We involved key stakeholders from across our global regions in the project from the start, so they could understand the benefits this change will bring. These briefings are continuing while the organization adjusts to the new way of working to ensure that there are opportunities for feedback and questions to encourage adoption of the new processes. By taking a phased approach to consolidating IT budgets and ownership, we could ensure that all regions and teams have sufficient time to prepare for the changes. In the complex organization the size of Fujitsu, it was not realistic to expect out-of-the-box capabilities alone to meet all of our requirements. As we expand how we use the platform, we carefully analyze use cases before deciding whether to use standard capabilities, integration with other systems, or customization to meet our requirements. It is this combination of capabilities that enables us to identify potential errors and prevent duplications. It also really helped to involve stakeholders early on in the project. From the start, we made sure that stakeholders from across our regions understood the changes that was happening and the benefits it was provided to them. This allowed us to take users' needs into account right from the design stage and have measures and process changes agreed early on to create a network of advocates across our global regions. Our final goal is to reduce the total number of systems in use across Fujitsu, reducing total cost of ownership of our IT infrastructure or TCO, and improving ROI of IT investments. We are now close to managing all IT systems from across the platform in APM. Our IT budget consolidation and reporting is now approximately 30% quicker than before, and our aim is to reach 90%. We will continue to improve our system through an agile approach in accordance with our management policies and market environment. We are already using most of the capabilities and features within SPM and are continuing to expand how we use APM. With each new ServiceNow release, we will analyze the new capabilities that we hope will serve as a foundation for Fujitsu's future IT management.